This is Nutrijournalism Wave Radio with Anjali, and you are listening to today's news bulletins. With 139 new COVID-19 cases, count in Bihar is 3,807 on May 31st, according to the State Health Department. The department added that it was trying to ascertain the trail of the infection of the patients. Meanwhile, the State Transport Department has authorized the playing of the public transport van in the state from today. The decision was taken in the meeting of the Crisis Management Group. Colgate toothpaste, Maybelline lipstick and the Horlicks Food Power are among 1,000 products that will no longer be available at the parliamentary canteens across India, as they have decided to sell only Swadeshi goods post an order by Union Home Ministry. The Kendriya Police Kalyan Bhandar KPKB, the parent body that runs parliamentary canteens across India, will sell made in India products from June 1. Cinema merchants on the Wajid Khan death, he was suffering from the kidney issue, was on ventilator. Music composer and singer Wajid Khan of composer duo Sajid Wajid breathed in a last in the wee hours on Monday. The musician, 42, was suffering from kidney ailments, has undergone a kidney transplant few months ago. He was tested coronavirus positive a few days ago. Composer Salim Merchants confirmed to PTI that the singer was hospitalized at Surana Hospital in Chamber a few days of the kidney issue. Salim Merchant that told the news agency Wajid had the multiple issues. He had a kidney issue and had a transplant a while ago. Bihar extends lockdown till June 30, says will follow SOP issues by center. The Bihar government has extended the coronavirus included lockdown in the state till June 30 after the center unveiled the guidelines of phases-wise lifting of restrictions outside containment zones. The state government has allowed relaxations in the economic activities. New shops and the business establishments can restart but will have to follow the social distancing protocols. The state governments in this Bihar earlier orders had allowed shops to open on the alternate days, but now they have been granted permissions to open on all days. Big Boss 13 contestant Hindustani Bhau aka Vikas Pathak has filed a complaint against producers Ekta Kapoor and Shobha Kapoor at the Khar police station in Mumbai. The social media star shared a video confirming that the same from the right outside the police station. Sonu Sood has the best solution as the woman complains she can't stay with the husband anymore, asked for help. Twitter user Susrima Acharya is fed up of the quarantine with her husband for more than 2 months now for requested actor Sonu Sood to transport either him out of her mother's houses. Sonu Sood had the witty responses to the fans' request. Sonu Sood, I'm staying with my husband from the Janta curfew to lockdown 4. Can you either send me to my mother's houses? I can stay with him anymore. Tweeted to the actor, who came up with the cool solutions. I have a better plan. Let me send both of you Goa. Chinese media said on the demand of the boycott of China in India, India can only beg. At this time, there is a talk about the boycott of the Chinese goods all over India. And there are the reports everywhere, no longer use of the Chinese goods. There is not the first time, but even before this boycott of the Chinese goods has been said many times. In this year 2016, there was a challenge, but boycott of the Chinese goods in India. That is the end of this news bulletins. Thank you so much.